Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert and today I will talk about a herb called Giloy. So let's start. Gurti Rakshti iti Guruchi, which means Guruchi protects the body from diseases. It is known as Amrita in Sanskrit and also known as a magical herb. It is a climbing shrub and all the parts of the Giloy are used in Ayurvedic medicines. Next, we'll discuss about its classical synonyms. Number 1, Amrita, because it has nectar-like benefits. Madhuparni, because when we crush the leaves of the giloy, it gives out a honey-like juice. Then Guruchi, because it protects the body from the diseases. Then Rasayani, because it replenishes intellectual capabilities and enhances memory power. Then Vayastha, because it promotes longevity. Then Chinna, because even if it is cut brutally, it grows again. Then Somvali, because it promotes longevity. Next, we'll talk about its vernacular name. Giloy is known by different names at different places. Like in English, it is known as heart-leaved Tinospora, Indian Tinospora, and moon seeds. In Sanskrit, it is known as Amrita, Guruchi, Chinna and Jivanti. In Hindi, it is known as Giloy and Guruchi. In Bengali, it is known as Gulanch. In Gujarati, Galo, and in Kannada, Agniballi and Amritaballi. Next, we'll talk about its classical categorization. According to Acharya Charak, Giloy is categorized under Vayasthapan, that means anti-aging group of herbs, Daha Prashaman, burning sensation reliever, Stanya Shodhan, because it is helpful in cleansing breast milk, Trishna Nigrahan, reduces excessive thirst, Tripti Ghana, that means satisfying and nourishing. And according to Acharya Sushruta, it is classically categorized under Patol Adi, Aragvad Adi, Guruchi Adi, Valli Panchmul and Takole Adi. In next slide, we will discuss about some ancient words of Giloy. Guruchi Katuka Tikta Swadu Paka Rasayani. That means Guruchi is bitter, pungent and sweet in taste, and it is also rejuvenating in nature. Then Sangrahini Kashai Ushna Lagvi Balle Agni Deepni. That means it is absorbent in nature, astringent in taste and hot in potency, and it is also light to digest, strengthening and promotes digestive fire. Then Dosh Anya Amrit Ang Dah Meh Kasascha Pandutam. That means it removes toxins from the body and it also manages thirst, burning sensation, diabetes, cough and anemia. Then Kamla Kusht Vatas Rajwar Krimi Vami Naheret. That means it is also helpful in managing jaundice, skin diseases, Vatash conditions, fever, worm infestations and even vomiting. Then according to Acharya Charak, Amrita Sangrahik Vatahar Deepniya Shleshma Shonit Vibandh Prashmananam. That means Guruchi is one of the main herb with bitter taste and it also helps in stimulating digestion and helps in alleviating Vat and Kapha dosh. And Guruchi is also beneficial herb to manage constipation and bleeding disorders. Next, we'll talk about its mythological history, or we can say its historical review. It is said during the fight of the Lord Rama and Ravan, the Vanar which got injured got their life back with the drops of the Amrita from sky thrown by the Lord Indra. And after that, Giloy had started growing there. Then in next slide, we'll discuss about the morphology of the Giloy. It is a perennial climbing herb with bushy vine and its leaves are heart-shaped, reticulated, soft membranous, and 4 to 10 centimeter long. And its flowers are small, yellow in color and green yellow in color. And its fruits resemble like a pea and turn red when it ripe. Its seeds are smooth and curved. Its stem is fleshy and its bark is thin, grey or creamy white in color when peeled. Fleshy stem is exposed. Next, we'll discuss about its habitat. It is distributed throughout the tropical regions of the India, but it is easily available in Bihar, West Bengal, Kerala and Karnataka. Next, we'll discuss about scientific classification of Giloy. So, its kingdom is Plantae, subkingdom is Phanerogamy, division Angiosperm, class Dicotyledons, family Manispermaceae, genus Tinospora and species is Cordifolia. Next, we'll discuss about pharmacological properties of Giloy. Ras is bitter, that is thick, and Kashai, astringent in taste. Guna, that means physical property, it is heavy and soft. Then its virya, it is hot in potency. Vipak, that is post digestion effect, which is madhur, sweet. Then Prabhav, it is 3 dosha ghana, that means it balances all the 3 dosha, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Then we talk about its chemical composition. Giloy contains berberine, tinosporin, rutin, quercetin and magnoflorin. So berberine has neuroprotective, antioxidant, anti-ischemic properties. Tinosporin has antioxidant, memory enhancer, appetizer, hypolipidemic, anti-inflammatory and hepatoprotective properties. Rutin has antioxidant, cytoprotective, vasoprotective, anticarcinogenic, neuroprotective and cardioprotective properties. Then quercetin has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory effects that might help reduce in swelling, kill cancer cells and control sugar and also help to prevent heart disease. Then magnoflorin has anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory and antioxidant properties. Next, we'll discuss about properties of Giloy. It has Kasahar, that means useful to relieve cough. Rasayani, that means rejuvenating. Mehar, useful in urinary disorders. Panduhar, relieves anemia. Balya, that means it improves strength. Dahahar, relieves burning sensation. Trutahar, that means it also relieves excessive thirst. And Jwarnashini, that means it is useful in fever. Then we'll talk about its therapeutic properties. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic, anti-diabetic, antipyretic, antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-proliferative, analgesic, anti-allergic and neuroprotective properties. Next, we'll discuss about effect of the Giloy on different system. So number 1, on cardiovascular system. It maintains healthy lipid levels because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2, on digestive system. It acts as a carminative and helps in release the bile from the gallbladder. It also facilitates proper movement of the doshas and it also improves metabolism and helps to maintain a good digestive system. Then on respiratory system, it helps in pacifying kapha dosha. That is why it also helps in treating allergic rhinitis, cough, asthma, cold and sinusitis. Then on reproductive system, it helps in maintain reproductive health by regulating cycles and hormones. Then we'll discuss about its part used. Even though all the parts of the Giloy are used in Ayurvedic medicines, but the most effective and most used part is stem. Next, we'll discuss about the dosage. So, number 1, quath, that means decoction, 50 to 100 ml. chon, that is about 3 to 6 gram, and sattva, that is 1 to 2 gram. Next we'll discuss about some special classical formulations of Giloy. Guduchi Adi Chon, Guduchi Adi Vat, Amrita Arist, Guduchi Tel, and Guduchi Loh. In next slide, we'll discuss about some home remedies. Number 1, in fever. Take 2 to 3 inches of Giloy stem and crush it off and add 2 cups of water. Boil until it remains half cup and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Number 2, in allergic rhinitis. Take 1/4 to half teaspoon of Giloy chon and add 1 teaspoon of honey in it and have it after lunch and dinner. Then in diarrhea, take 1/4 to half teaspoon of Giloy powder, add 1 glass of lukewarm water in it and mix it well and have it after lunch and dinner. Then in high cholesterol, take 1 teaspoon of Giloy and Arjuna powder. Boil it in 2 cups of water and have it when it reduces to half cup. Then in diabetes, take half teaspoon of Giloy chon twice a daily with water. Then in the next slide, we'll discuss about how Giloy acts in the cancer or how Giloy works in the cancer. So, Giloy might be useful in managing breast cancer because of its anti-proliferative property. Rutin and quercetin present in Giloy inhibit cell proliferation and growth of the breast cancer cells due to its anti-cancer property. It also changes the expressions of apoptotic genes and induces cell death in the breast cancer cells. Giloy might reduce the risk of the cancer by balancing Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and also by controlling the growth and the spread of the cancer cells. Giloy also prevents cells damage due to its rasainic property, that is rejuvenating property. Then Giloy in immunity. Giloy is known to boost the immune system, but when you take Giloy in autoimmune disorders or diseases, it may overstimulate the immune system. Next, Giloy in dengue. It has anti-inflammatory and antipyretic properties, and regular intake of Giloy during the dengue helps in improving the immune system. And it also helps in increasing the platelets count, and together it will helps to manage the dengue fever. Then Giloy in rheumatoid arthritis. Giloy might be beneficial for the management of the pain and inflammation in the arthritis because it suppresses arthritic inflammation by inhibiting the production of the pro-inflammatory cytokines. Then Planet Ayurveda products which contains Giloy. Giloy capsules, Giloy Ghanvati, Giloy Sattva, Guduchi Churn, Amritadi Gugul. Thank you. I hope you all like this information about the Giloy, and if you have any query regarding any home remedies or anything, you can directly mail us at herbalremedies123@yahoo.com. Thank you.
प्लेनेट आयुर्वेदा एक ऐसा प्लेनेट जहां मिलता है हेल्थ का बेनिफिट। प्रॉब्लम कोई भी हो, सॉल्यूशन सिर्फ एक। प्लेनेट आयुर्वेदा नॉर्थ इंडिया का बेस्ट क्लिनिक, जहां MD आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर्स की टीम आपकी हर हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन देने के लिए तैयार है। अभी कंसल्ट करें planetayurveda.com।